Hello guys, my name is Rashid and today I am going to talk about filter function in Python. Filter function is a built-in Python function and it performs a certain condition on a given data. Whatever data matches that condition, that data is kept and the remaining data is ignored. Filter function has got two arguments. The first one is the conditional function and the second one is the iterable. So how does it work? First of all, it will pick the first value of iterable, applies that function. If the function returns true, that value is kept. Otherwise, the value is ignored. In a similar manner, it will pick the second value of the iterable, applies the function, and if the function returns true, the value is kept. Otherwise, it is ignored. And it will do the same thing for the remaining values of the iterable. So at the end of the filter function, we will have only those values of the iterable that will match the function criteria. Otherwise, the remaining values that does not match the condition are ignored. To understand this concept better, we can have some examples. Like the first example we have is a list of numbers and we need to print out the odd numbers. For that, first of all, we will write a lambda function that will return true for odd numbers, and then we'll write the filter function, filter or conditional function, and then the num list. So this will return the filter object. To print the result, first we need to convert into list and then print it. So once I will execute this program, you will see that we have got even odd numbers here. So how does it work? First of all, it will be the value of 1, applies the odd conditional function that returns true only for odd numbers. So 1 is an odd number, so it will return true. So this value is kept. In a similar way, it will pick the value of 2, applies the odd conditional function. 2 is an even number, so this function returns false for that. So this value is ignored and it is not available in the resultant string array. So it will do the same thing for 3. 3 is an odd number, so this condition returns true. So this value is kept in the final result. So this is the first example. Now we will take one more example, that is the names list, and our requirement is to actually convert into a proper list that will have only names, ignoring the empty strings. So for that, we need to see one more concept, that is, instead of filter conditional function, we can also pass Python none keyword. So we will write a filter function, pass none keyword instead of a function, and then the names list. So now we will print the result. So if I will execute this program, you will see that we have got the proper names list. So how does it work? So whenever none keyword is passed, then Python will try to evaluate the value internally. So for 0, none, false or empty strings, Python will evaluate false, and for proper strings, the Python will evaluate to true. So once we run this function, only those values which evaluate to true internally will be returned. So we will have proper name in the resultant string. So this was the filter function in Python. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel, and so that you can get the notification for the future videos. Thank you so much and we'll see you soon. Bye.